everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a squishy experiment. So if you've seen in the last video, I done a haul and I got this it's like a stress toy, it was called, I think. It's like super dense but it's like squishy, so I was going to do the freezer experiment and I thought, well, I can't just do this. So then I got this, then I found this squishy football. I did have a donut, but I can't find my donut. I'm going to look in one more place. I unfortunately can't find it, but yeah, so I've got these two. This one's squishy, and none of them slow rising, so hopefully that will help. I got this bag to put them in. Football and pineapple. I'm going to make sure there's no air in it. And close it. Squeeze out the rest of the air. Close the last bit. So I'm going to go put this in the freezer and set a timer for 20 minutes. So they're in the freezer and the timer's on the go. Guys, so it's been 20 minutes, so I'm going to go get the squishies. So I've just got the squishies. Okay. Right, still super dense. So the football, guys. Start with the football. Quite cold. Don't know if it's really changed. Pineapple is a real test. Super dense. I think they've just got more dense. Actually, I think the slightest bit more slow rising. So yeah, but didn't really do a lot apart from make them super dense. And this experiment, if it does work, it only lasts, it's only temporarily on the squishies. So yeah, so this is going to go back to its normal squishiness soon. If it hasn't already, my hands were warm. So in the 20 minutes I got ready. My hair's a big mess still, but... And then we've got a little Lillian here. She also got changed. She's looking super cute. I love this little hat on her. But yeah, this is her favourite thing, so she's happy to have it back. Aren't you? So yeah, guys, that's all for this video. It's a bit of a fail, but hey. Boy, oh, didn't even realise that was Banksy. Bye, boo. But hey, that's all for this video. Please click like, subscribe, comment below a video idea to get a shout out. We'll see you next time. Bye.